Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayong Marso, ginugunita natin ang Fire Prevention Month. Fire is a threat that can be avoided through preventive discipline that starts in our homes, schools, and workplaces. Unahin natin ang paghahanda. Awareness alone is not enough. We must actively inspect our electrical systems, clear fire hazards, and ensure that every member of the family knows the emergency exit plan. Ang kaligtasan ng komunidad ay nagsisimula sa pagiging alerto ng bawat individual. Maging kaisa tayo ng ating mga frontliners. Do not wait for an emergency to learn about safety. I encourage everyone to participate in local fire drills and education campaigns. Ang kaalaman, ang ating unang depensa laban sa mga sakunang kumikitil ng buhay at sumisira ng ari-arian. Pahalagahan natin ang bayanihan. I commend the private groups and volunteer fire brigades who dedicate their time to fire response and urge the public to support their initiatives. Tandaan na ang kaligtasan ay responsibilidad nating lahat. Ang pag-iingat sa sunog ay isang pang-araw-araw na commitment. Let us build communities that are not only resilient but also proactively safe from fire hazards. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas para sa Diyos sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.